Hi guys, a bit of a grip upgrade going on here this afternoon. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, just sort of a shiny, hardish sort of plastic look to the 457 ones. They're just a bit cheap basically. The 660 here, much sort of a softer, duller, more malleable rubber. I find I prefer these much more. So, Progrip to the rescue. Made in Italy, just a good average grip. I've fitted these to quite a few bikes now, so we'll get those bad boys on there and get rid of these cheap ass things. These are coming off pretty easy. You got to wonder if they used any glue at all at the factory. Voila. On the throttle side, there's an edge on the throttle tube that you need to roll the grip off first. Not sure if you can see that there, otherwise you're going to make hard work of it. And some compressed air is a good trick. Shove an air gun up it, and just creates a gap between the tube and the grip. There we go. For those of you who aren't in the know, there's two different size holes. The big size goes on the throttle tube and the wee one goes over on the left hand side or on the other bar. Throttle tube's not so important for using some adhesive because it's got these ridges and doesn't tend to slip so much, but I like to use a bit of glue and just to be sure. Right, compress here. Just like that. Apologies guys, that last clip, it looks like I had my skinny ass in the way and it was a bit out of focus, but you get the gist. Make the compressed air your friend. So there we are, much nicer set of grips. I'll give that 24 hours now for the glue to go off before I go for my first ride. Nice little upgrade. Thanks for watching.